You can use 111 online to check if you need urgent medical help. Log in to your NHS account. Select Check if you need urgent medical help using 111 online. You will see a warning message to explain whether you should call 999. Read this and select I have none of these to confirm it is not an emergency. Once you are safe to continue, you will need to add your postcode, your age, your sex at birth. Then search for and select the topic you need medical help with. The questions you are asked will change based on your answers, to make sure that you are given the best possible advice. Once finished, you will be given a recommendation on what to do next. If you need help, go to nhs.uk/NHS app.